Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can check your Zelle payment limit. So let's jump right in. There isn't an official tool to check Zelle payment limits directly within every banking app. However, to better understand how these limits work and what they depend on, let's go through this article together. Yes, for security reasons, we set restriction on number of transactions and dollar limits, and they may vary by account. You can view the limits within the region's online banking or region's mobile banking app each time you initiate a transaction. Sending limits. For your security, we restrict the amount of money you can send to recipients. There are daily and 30-day rolling limits. The amounts you can send daily and over 30 days will vary based on your funding account, your recipient, and the transaction history for each recipient. Finding your sending limit. To see how much you can send using Zelle, log into your online banking account or the region's mobile banking app. Once in Zelle, select Send. In the middle of the screen under the amount, tap Limit for more information regarding your Zelle sending limit. Receiving limits. We do not limit how much money you can receive with Zelle. However, the sender may be subject to limits on how much they can send.